Hi everybody, so today I have a nice knife, another knife from Ganzo, Chinese manufacturer, and the name of the knife is G7461CF. CF, carbon fiber, yes. Okay, let's take a box aside. This one too. Now we have this knife in front of us. Let's have a look. Carbon fiber scales. Looks nice, shiny, feels good. Small clip, quite tight. Okay, okay. I would say too tight, but looks good. And you can remove it from here and put on the other side, but not on top of the handle, just at the bottom. Still nice. Original nice lanyard hole. Axis lock that Ganzo called G-lock. It's not too tight. You can okay for the left or right-handed people as well. And same for opening. If you're right-handed or left-handed person, you can use it nicely from both sides. That's a good thing to do. Let's look inside, and you'll see washers. You'll see white Teflon washer and yellow bronze washer. Let's open it, and you will see the blade, sharp from one side and not sharp from another. It looks like a metal dagger. Let's see the weight of it. $113 grams. Not too light, but not too heavy. The liners inside, you'll see there's no holes, or no, just full liners inside. Alright, let's see what's the size of it. Blade size will be around 9 centimeters, and the handle around 11, or a little more than 11, 12 centimeters. So it's good for any type of hand or size of hand. Yeah, there's no much, just a little bit here so you can hold it, otherwise it might be slippery when wet, we can say. Yeah, so I think it's a great knife for the city, to keep it in your pocket around the city, going to the office. So yeah, so nobody will be scared of this knife. It's cute and it's very functional and capable. You can do anything with this one. No play, I cannot feel, no vertical, no horizontal, maybe very light actually. Very light vertical play, but I think it's a 0.1 millimeters or something like that. Yeah, nice, cute clip. Yeah, so it's a good urban city knife. Yeah, I wouldn't take this one to the hiking trip or for my fishing, but I will take it all around. Alright, okay, thanks so much, and talk to you later. Bye bye.